Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss about 5th November current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, enhanced Pinaka rocket. Here we know that Pinaka MBLR, that is multiple barrel rocket launcher. There are Pinaka MK1, Pinaka MK2 and MK3. Here now it is the enhanced one, that is enhanced Pinaka rocket. It was developed by Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, has been successfully flight tested from integrated test range ITR Chandipur off coast of Odisha. Here the enhanced Pinaka along with the guidance Pinaka will cover the range between 60 to 90 kilometers and will be deployed by the Indian Army. That is about enhanced Pinaka rocket. Next one, Paris Agreement and climate change. Why it is in news? It is agreement done in 2015 and signed on 2016. Here the Paris Agreement is an agreement within the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change dealing with greenhouse gas emissions, mitigation, adoption and finance. It is signed in 2016. Here the United States formally exited from agreement. Now this year, that is 2020, it is formally exited from that Paris Agreement. If you see the which country contributing more, that is total carbon emission. Here with contributing 14% of total carbon emission, the US is currently second biggest emitter after China, that is with 26%. If you see that the third position, that is EU nations collectively contribute to 9% of total emission, followed by fourth position, that is 7%. Here China, United States of America and European Union, and fourth one 7%, that is India. Here United States formally exited from this Paris Agreement on climate change. Next one, Ant Group. Why it is in news? Why? Because the scheduled initial public offering, that is IPO, we will call it as IPO of Ant Group, has been delayed for now after its plans of listing on the Shanghai and Hong Kong stock exchange, which thwarted by the authorities. Here the company had hoped to raise up to $37 billion from the market in an IPO that would have been the world's largest, beating the last year's $29.4 billion listing of Saudi Aramco. That means it is the world's largest IPO. Here Ant Group is formerly known as the Ant Financial and Alipay. It is an affiliate company of the Chinese Alibaba Group. Char Chopri. Here there is a construction of Mia Museum in Assam, that is reflecting the culture and heritage of the people living in Char Chopris, has stirred up a controversy in Assam. Here what is this Char Chopri? Here Char Chopris are shifting riverine islands of Brahmaputra and are primarily inhabited by the Muslims of Bengal origin, pejoratively referred to as a Mias. Here a char is a floating island, while choparis are low-lying flood-prone riverbanks. Here char is a floating island and choparis is a low-lying flood-prone riverbanks. That's why Mia Museum, that is Mias, is in news. In the series of previous paper analysis, today we will discuss fifth question, that is what is the importance of using pneumococcal conjugate vaccine, that is PCV13 in India. These vaccines are effective against pneumonia as well as the meningitis and sepsis. Here dependence on antibiotics that are not effective against drug resistant bacteria can be reduced. These vaccines have no side effects and cause no allergic reactions. Here the third option is a tricky one, or it's like a suspect one. Why? Because some vaccines, most of the vaccines have some side effects, or it's like a mild one, or in a smaller range. That's why if you eliminate this third option, that is C and D, we can eliminate. Here first one and two options are correct. That's why we'll put B is the right option. These vaccines are effective against the pneumonia as well as the meningitis and sepsis. Dependence on antibiotics that are not effective against the drug resistant bacteria can be reduced using this pneumococcal conjugate vaccines 13 in India. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.